Let's get going! Let's get out of here! Right, we're here. I've got some cooking oil to go and get. So come on, let's go and get it. It's a nice little village. The Tavern Slough. Now they do say it's very friendly here. So we'll go and find out. There's a river around here as well, which I'm hoping the rain stays off. So yeah, I'll pronounce it where I am in a minute. I just need to have some advice because I've never even been here before. Izzy's Butchers, so if you need meat. What a beautiful little village. I haven't forgotten, I will pronounce it in a bit. So I never even knew this place was here. And it's only getting out car camping. I did come across it on Park for Night, to be honest with you, so yeah. And the feedback was only from 2 days ago, saying how friendly and how polite the village is, and they welcome people with vans and stuff, so yeah. Thought I'd give it a go. I've got my space already in the car park, so just gonna walk around while it's daylight. Yeah, I can hear the river now. I don't know if it's Mike's picking it up. It's not a very big river, but it's water. And I love water. Lakes, lochs, rivers, ponds. Yeah. Makes you feel you're somewhere, you know? Wow, found it. Not the best to get here in trainers. Show you now. Just making sure I don't go backside over breast. That's stunning. I do like it here. Anything with the water, river. Yeah, it's my cup of tea. Got my spray for cooking. Forgot my bloody cooking oil. Can't do a stir fry with no oil. Oh, lovely little walkways everywhere. Thing is as well, because it's like out in the middle of nowhere. Because I'm talking to you guys on my camera. Yeah, I'm getting them stairs, you know, the ones with. What the hell's he doing? I'm not bothered now. I'm getting past that stage. I just have to move and carry on. Little quaint houses here. And I'm walking up in a housing estate now. I will be getting some stairs now. Little narrow footpaths everywhere here. I'm hoping this one will get me back to the car park. I'm back in the car. Back here now. I'm just wondering whether being Bonfire Night, that I wonder if a small village like this puts on any celebrations, or you know, maybe they've got a big bonfire somewhere and fireworks. Be nice. And you all know me, it's coffee time. So I've always got time for a coffee, always. And yeah, I'm cooking on something a bit different tonight. I'll show you now. I think I'm glamping. I bought myself one of these, and it's a little butane canister. So yeah, I'm going to be cooking something spectacular. No, I'm not. You ready for this? In my head it sounds like Llanahedra and Mocknant. Mocknant. Llanahedra and Mocknant. That's where I am. I'll put it up on the screen now. But yeah, even though I'm a Welshman, some words I just cannot say. And yeah, in my brain I can say them. When it comes out to here, it's yeah. And you all know me, I've always got time for this. Had these and had them delivered and put them on. They're like a rain guard, it's classed as wind guards, but they're more for wind, rain. Rain guards for me. And yeah, that means I can have the window cracked, you know, a good 2 inches all the way round. I opted for the 4 because I didn't want just a sleeping compartment, because then it's a bit too obvious then. Yeah, this is the other side, so it'll allow me some good ventilation. Not a bad zoom. It says there's 24-hour toilets down here. Pub's open. Yeah, just in case I get a knock. Better not. Another one here, the hand in. Awesome. For a little village, them are 24-hour toilets. They're open 24 hours a day. They smell and look amazing. So a big thumbs up for them. It's 20 to 5 now. So yeah, I'm gonna get my tea on. Put my new window coverings in. Got some double bubble reflectix. So yeah, let's see what that looks like. Sounds like. As you can see, I've got my roof lights on. But I've also got this. And then you press on, off, on, off, on, or you can dim them. I have got 4 of them, but I only brought 2 just to try what, you know, see what they like. And yeah, they're awesome. Compared with this mini pump-on as well, I got tons of light in here. There's my new reflectix. You can see I haven't put my divider curtain up yet, but all the lights are on. And there's nothing whatsoever coming through until you come around this side. I'm going to put my divider curtain up now. So, job's a good one. Yeah. Getting out of my mess tin. And I'm also cooking with some dark soy sauce. And I do like soy sauce, as you can tell. Yeah, especially with this type of stove as well, when I'm making my coffees later on, it'll heat the van up. So, yeah. I got my jet boil with me, just in case this failed or didn't go to plan. So, yeah, I don't trust anything straight away, so I'll have a few more of uses of this, and then I'll probably just be bringing this out then. I'm leaving my jet boil just for my tent camping. Oh, and using my pole as well, my tent pole, it did come. But yeah, I tried a camp in the garden, and yeah, my sleeping system is not up to scratch for this type of weather. So yeah, I'm not a fool, you know, I'm not going to risk my life for YouTube. But it got to about 3:15 in the morning, two nights ago, and yeah, I had to sack it. I went straight back in the house. I was frozen. So yeah, I need a proper R-rated sleeping mat. So using this head torch I got on me now, the one with the strip light. It is absolutely amazing. Used it about 5 outings now, and oh, it's been amazing. Right, I'm going to eat this now, and I don't know if you can see that. Looks amazing, tastes amazing. I'll bring you back when I've eaten it. Good morning, everybody. Oh, this little stove's been a godsend for the van anyway. I wouldn't take it on a tent camp, it's just way too big and heavy. Got my engine running now, just trying to clear the windows a little bit. Yeah, even though my windows were cracked, there's still condensation, but that comes parcel and parcel with winter van life. So yeah, got pretty chilly and all this morning. When I got up anyway, it was pretty chilly. Inside the sleeping bag I was roasting. I got the foil blanket that I put down in my tent. I had that folded in half on top of the air bed. Then I had my teddy bear blanket on top of that, and then I was in the sleeping bag, and yeah, I didn't wake up at all. You can see the condensation here. That is just dripping everywhere. On my phone and everything then, that was see it on the dash. Oh, great. Yep, I think I need a chamois. Oh, the joys of van life, eh? It's not too bad, like I can, you know, I could get round it somehow. I'll go on YouTube and see what other people are doing to battle it. But yeah, it's not the best. And yeah, a bit close then, probably, sorry about that. Weather doesn't look too inviting, does it? Got sausage and beans for breakfast. I'm not a proper breakfast person, but I bring it just in case I get that morning where I wake up and I'm starving hungry. But yeah, it's 7:45, so I'll probably make tracks now. Say it's been a good camp here. You've got your rubbish and recycling bins there as well. Right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time for me to go. It's starting to rain. See it coming in over there, really bad. So I want to thank you all for watching this video, and yeah, till the next one, thank you very much. It means a hell of a lot clicking on this video, and like I say, till the next one, be safe. And it's Taft's Destination, and I'm signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.